Hello all. Today I am going to discuss today's newspaper, in which the most important is Supreme Court to hear Mullaperiyar Dam case on December 10th. You know, in India most of the dams were being constructed in British times. So the expiry time of the dams has been came into existence. So this Mullaperiyar Dam in Tamil Nadu is the oldest dam. So on this context, I want to discuss about Dam Safety Bill 2019, which talks about surveillance, inspection, checking of the dams so that the outdated dams need to be reconstructed. On this issue, we have to discuss about, we have to understand about, so what the Supreme Court is going to tell on December 10th with respect to Mullaperiyar Dam. Whether to continue with the Mullaperiyar Dam or whether to go for reconstruction or complete abandoning of Mullaperiyar Dam. Thank you.